Good morning children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 34. Now I am going to start exercise 35. Let us start our class. See that. First one. 7 lakh 4,000 7 lakh 4,610 610 is 7 lakh 4,610 is, okay, right, 7 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 7 lakh 4,000 04 610 610. Okay, see the next one. Write in descending order. Write in descending order. Write in descending order. Okay. See what are the numbers you have to write in the descending order. Look at that. 4,689, 4,869, 4,896, 4,986. Here they are asking us to write them in descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers in order of greatest to smallest. So you have to choose which one is the greatest of all. Which one is the greatest of all? Choose it. In that, which one is greatest? 4, 6, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 9. 4, 9 comes first. And then 4, 8, 4, 8. 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9 second one. 4, 8, 6 third one at last. 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Now after arranging them in the order, you have to write them in order. 4,986, 4,896, 4,869, 4,689. See the third one. 2,487 plus something equal to 3,000. Okay. First we have to subtract 3,000 minus this number. 3,000 minus 2,487. 10, 9, 9, 2. 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 4, 5. It's nothing but 513 is the difference between 3,000 and 2,487. Okay. See the next one, Amma. Fourth one. See the fourth one. 68 plus 47 equal to 115. 68 plus 14 equal to how much? They are asking us to find out by shortcut method. Find out the value by shortcut method. First you should write the nearest of 68. 70 plus 47 nearest 50. What is the difference between 70 and 68? Minus 2. What is the difference between 50 and 47? Minus 3. So 70 plus 50, 120 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. 120 minus 5, so it's nothing but 115. You have to write that. See the B1 in that. 95 plus 78 equal to how much? Children, see here which is nearer to 95, 100 plus which is nearer to 78, 80. What is the difference between 100 and 95, children? 5 minus 5. What is the difference between 80 and 78? Minus 2. So it is nothing but 100 plus 80, 180 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. 180 minus 7, 173. Okay, like that you can do it without doing any direct sum. With some tricks we can complete it. So fifth one, in 3 by 5, in 3 by 5, which number is the denominator? Which number is the denominator? Which number is denominator, children? In this number, which number is denominator? In 3 by 5, what we call 3, what we call 5? In 3 by 5, 3 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. 3 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. So what is the number in denominator? It's nothing but 5. It's nothing but 5. Okay? See the next one, sixth one, Amma. Circle the greatest fraction. Circle the greatest fraction. A 1 by 2, B 1 by 4, C 1 by 6, D 1 by 8, E 1 by 16. Children, if you observe which one is the greatest fraction, we have to choose. I'll say one simple example to you. If I have the bun, if I have a bun, if I divide it into two numbers, I will get this much part. Yes or not? If I have a bun, if I divided the bun into two equal parts, I will get this much part. If I give to four numbers, this much, somewhat less. Okay. Next, 8 parts means 6 parts means this much. 8 parts means somewhat less. 16 parts means this much smaller parts. So each part is become very smaller. If I divide this one into some equal parts, so which comes more? 1 by 2 comes more. 1 by 2 means half of the part is more. So if I divide this greater fraction, see, half means 1 by 2. 1 by 4 means 4 parts. 1 by 6 means 6 parts. 1 by 8 means 8 parts. 1 by 16 means 16 parts. Okay, which one is the more part of this one? So half is the greatest fraction. Half is the greatest fraction. See the next one. Complete. Nine, 18, 27. We don't know that three numbers they didn't give. Last 63, 72. They given like these numbers and they asked us to complete this series. Okay, complete this series. How you will complete? 9, 18, 27, 63, 72. Children, if you observe in which table you can see these 9 table. 9 ones 9, 9 twos 18, 9 threes 27. So 9 fours. So if you add plus 9, you will get that answer. So 27 plus 9, 36. Next, 36 plus 9, 45. Next one, 45 plus 9. What is 45 plus 9? 54. Like that we can get the values. Or else, if you observe, these are all in 9 table only. Yes, na? 9 ones, 9 twos, 9 threes was given. So 9 fours 34, 36, 9 fives 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens and 9 eights they only given. Okay, see the 8th bit. 180 marbles were equally distributed and kept in 10 boxes. How many marbles did each box contain? So 180 marbles were kept in 10 boxes. 180 marbles were kept equally distributed. Equally distributed means equally kept in 10 boxes. So you have to divide 10 with 180. Okay? 10 ones 10. Remainder 8. Drop down 0. It is 80. In 10 table when it comes 80, 10 8 80. Yes, now? So 18. Each box contains 18 marbles. 18 marbles. Each box contains 18 marbles. See the next one. How many hours are there between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.? How many hours are there between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.? How many hours are there between? How many hours are there from? How many hours are there from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.? 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. How many hours are there between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.? They are asking. 8 a.m. means 8 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total answer is how many hours? 7 hours. How about you say 8 after 9? So 8 to 9 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. Last 10th one. How many 20 pice coins? How many 20 pice coins? 20 pice coins are there in rupees 8? In rupees 8. How many 20 pice coins are there in rupees 8? The rupee 1. Number of 20 pice coins in 1 rupee. How many will be per 1 rupee? 5 coins will be. 5 coins will be. They are asking for 8 rupees. Number of 20 pice coins in rupees 8. 5 8s 40 coins. 5 8s 40 coins. How many coins are there? 20 pice coins in 8 rupees? 5. Okay, 8 rupees 40. See first one. Number of 20 pice coins in 1 rupee. 1 rupee contains how many 20 pice coins? 5 coins it contains. It contains 5 coins. Here they are asking us to find number of 20 pice coins in 8 rupees. 1 rupee 5. 8 rupees means 5 into 8. What is 5 8s? 40. So how many coins will come? 40 coins they will get. 40 coins they will get. Okay, ma? In the next session we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.